This story takes place on a cold summer day in Newfoundland and Labrador. One day, Flo, a mama seal, was hunting for food for her pup named Hummus.
Hummus, baby, I will be right back. I'm getting your favorite food, cod.
Don't be too long, Mama. As Flo left to go collect fish, hunters were lurking about. Hummus turned around and spotted a hunter. As he looked more closely, he could see they were holding weapons.
Oh no! What am I gonna do, Mama? Mama, where are you?
Danny Phantom and his crew approached Hummus.
We're sorry, buddy. We need your fur to make clothes.
As they struck Hummus in the forehead with the hockey pick, a slightly bent spike attached to a wooden handle, knocking him out.
I don't know if you're dead, but this is going to hurt.
Danny Phantom grabbed the bucket of scorching hot water and poured it on Hummus to make the fell removal easier. Meanwhile, Mama Flo was collecting cod. She returned only to find her son being skinned alive.
No, my baby pup!
Sorry, Lady Seal. I don't want to do this, but this is my job. I gotta feed my family, you know?
Is it your job to kill innocent babies?
Flo charged forward angrily, ready to make Danny Phantom feel the pain she felt. But she was too late. Danny Phantom had already seen her coming and shot her before she had a chance.
I'm coming, Hummus.
82% of seals aren't killed by the first bullet, and 97% killed are just babies. The government makes up excuses on why seal hunting is legal by saying it's an ancient Inuit tradition. However, only 3% of Inuits hunt for seals. Why is the government supporting this? If you want to help stop seal hunting, contact a nearby environmental organization. For example, PETA. See it through their eyes.
How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.